Since 1967, the annual celebration of International Literacy Day have taken place on 8 September around the world to remind policymakers, practitioners, and the public of the critical importance of literacy for creating more literate, just, peaceful, and sustainable society. Literacy is a fundamental human right for all. It opens the door to the enjoyment of other human rights, greater freedoms, and global citizenship. Literacy is a foundation for people to acquire broader knowledge, skills, values, attitudes, and behaviors to foster a culture of lasting peace based on respect for equality and non discrimination. In 2022, however, at least 1 out of 7 adults aged 15 and above, that is 765 million, lacked basic literacy skills. Additionally, millions of children are struggling to acquire minimum levels of proficiency in reading, writing, and numeracy, while some 250 million children of 6 to 8 years are out of school. This year, the International Literacy Day will be celebrated under the theme of Promoting Multilingual Education, Literacy for Mutual Understanding and Peace. There is a pressing need to harness the transformative potential of literacy for promoting mutual understanding, social cohesion, and peace. In today's world, in which multilingualism is a common practice for many, empowering people by adopting a first language based multilingual approach to literacy development and education is particularly effective for its cognitive, pedagogical, and socio-economic benefits. International Literacy Day 2024 will unpack issues related to literacy in multilingual contexts for achieving lasting peace and will explore possible solutions for enhancing policies, lifelong learning systems, governance, programs, and practices. International Literacy Day 2024 will be celebrated in person and online at the global, regional, and national local levels. The global celebration will be held on 9th and 10th September 2024 in Cameroon. It will include a global conference, the award ceremony of the UNESCO International Literacy Prizes, and other side events. There is a strong connection between illiteracy and poverty. People who can read and write have an enormous advantage over those who can't when it comes to studying and training. This means that literate people generally earn more money and enjoy a better life. The UN also reports more negative attitude towards women in societies with lower literacy levels. India, with its vast and diverse population, faces unique challenges in achieving universal literacy. While significant progress has been made in recent years, literacy remains an important issue. Literacy in India is closely linked to socio-economic factors and efforts to improve it and must address issues such as poverty, general inequality, and access to quality education. When we are literate, we make wiser judgments. Our accumulation of information serves as a basis for reasoned thought. It is necessary to observe International Literacy Day because of it. It is essential for a brighter future when wise judgments are made by literate people worldwide. Every issue that a society faces is like a link of chain. Each issue is connected to one another, either directly or indirectly. Among all, the strongest link of that chain is of illiteracy. It is the mother of all the issues as it gives birth to many other issues like unemployment, poverty, population explosion, and the most dangerous crime is that against women. It has been observed that the states having low crime rates have literacy more than 80%, while the states having high level of crime rate have low level of literacy. Let us remember, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. Thank you so much for watching the video. Here's wishing everyone a very happy International Literacy Day 2024. Thank you.